we are going to delve together into the science and the mystery of the pyramids that is guarded by the ancient wisdom of the Octahedron. We will share with you in this cycle information on the magical characteristics of this geometrical polyhedron that makes it possible to act as a portal between the higher dimensions and our physical realm. So to start with this adventure, let's go into the basis of this geometrical form. So what is a pyramid? A pyramid, in fact, is made, and I will use my board here to make things more clear. A pyramid is made of a base that is a square, and then an upper point in the center of the square with four perfect triangles uniting in this point. This pyramid then is based in a square and four triangles that have equal sides, four equilateral triangles. And if we put two pyramids together, we get an octahedron. And the octahedron is the combination of two pyramids where the common shape that they share is a square in this realm, in this manifestation. And one of the squares project upwards with the celestial realms to expand into the manifest world, and the other side of the square that they share is projected downwards in the underworlds. These two pyramids together combine form this magic Platonic solid that can mediate an interface of manifestation between different realms. And this was clearly understood by ancient cultures that received these technologies directly from their mentors in the stars. One of the civilizations that has the largest knowledge on the science of the octahedron are the beings coming from Sirius. And they brought this knowledge to humanity so that they could awaken, interconnect, and experience different realities that go beyond our physical realm. In this sense, when ancient cultures built pyramids, and these are distributed all over the world, and were mentored and supported by star beings that help the human civilization to get the technologies that could put together stone over stone to build these magnificent structures all over the world, with the main objective of allowing them to reconnect with subtle realities. The base of the octahedron allows it to contact the higher realms and bring down information and knowledge, and store this information and knowledge to be used for the benefit of humanity. And at the same time, it allows to connect with the under realms and also store the knowledge related to the sacred matter. So this square that both pyramids share is the point of interface that allows spirit and matter to blend and come together, and to sacralize matter and to give form to the spirit. And this square is the one that opens to manifestation in our realm. Why do we say that the octahedron is the base of manifestation in this our dimension? When the creator has to express its creative property, it doesn't do it directly himself, but first creates orders of celestial beings that will contribute and will be the architects of the creation. In this big enterprise, the big chief, the owner of all the project, does not create himself, but has a team, a working team that includes angelic beings, angelic architects that will be the ones that will put forward the plans and to sustain the creation. And within this all-pervading energetic field of the one, when the one has to manifest into a physical form, first the space has to be created. And to create the space, the creator gives this task to 4 big angelic beings that are the beings of the directions. And what these beings do is they take the energy field out of the oneness and they expand it in 4 directions. It's a movement similar of a painter that has to create and paint something on a white screen, or a filmmaker that wants to project the film. And before this can be done, there has to be a screen. And to create this screen, 4 angelic beings take a point of power from the all-pervading energetic field and open it to create space, to create this surface where the creator will express his creating potential. So this is how, from the absolute all-pervading oneness, a field of creation, a field of manifestation comes out, where the rest of the film of manifestation can then project. This is represented by the quadrangular base of the pyramid and is sustained by the number 4. And in our physical realm of manifestation, this process is kept and sustained by 4 angelic directional beings and by the 4 elements. So this is what we are going to share in detail in the next set of videos. We will look into each of these 4 angelic beings and how then they relate with the above and the below to create these double pyramids that superpose and put together create the octahedron. That is the figure, that is the base of the manifestation in this our realm. To walk better through this set of videos, where we will travel along history and across the surface of the earth, looking for these sacred pyramids that still hold the knowledge of the interdimensional connection, it's important to have a base to understand the complexity of what we are going to share with you in these videos. It's important to have the base of the knowledge of three main points. The first one is the wisdom of numbers, and there is a whole series that speaks of this in ANIMA. We'll put the links to this so that you can watch them again. And then the other important point is the sacred science of the triangle. Another set of videos is there so that you can reference and watch. And if we speak of the science of triangles, we come immediately to the deep knowledge of the initiate Pythagoras. And if we speak of the science of triangles, we come to the knowledge and wisdom of the great initiate Pythagoras. So to proceed and move forward along this series with us, we highly recommend you to go back and watch the videos on the wisdom of numbers, the videos of the wisdom of the triangles and the geometric forms, and also the videos on Pythagoras and the sacred science of the triangles. I hope that you enjoyed this first introductory video to the magic of the octahedron, and that you will walk with us into the mysteries in the next videos to come. Thank you very much.